Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So let's go ahead and get started with today's tutorial. I am going to be using the Perception collection by Shayla and ColourPop, and the first color I'm going to use is Culture. One of my absolute favorite things to do while I'm doing my makeup is listen to my favorite music. And you can see me having a good time. So the next color that I'm going to use is going to be Thick. So now I'm going to be using the Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place, and the color that I will be using is Dyla. And always remember to blend, blend, blend. I love listening to artists like New Edition and TLC and Destiny's Child while I'm doing my makeup. I love artists like Escape and Aaliyah. And I also really love listening to Janet Jackson while I do my makeup as well. So comment down below and let me know your favorite songs that you like to listen to while you're doing your makeup. Now I'm taking this step because I will go back on and add a different color to help blend into the eyeshadow look that I'm creating. Now I'm using the color Makita from the Masquerade palette. And as you can see, I have some fallout from my eyeshadow, but that's okay because I will fix it once I put on my foundation. Please remember when you're doing your makeup, it's okay to step outside of your comfort zone. Try new colors, try new techniques. There's so much to be done creatively with your makeup, and I know that you're going to look amazing when you do it. Now I'm using the Maybelline Stay Put foundation. It is a full coverage foundation, and I will make sure that I link it down below in case you're interested. Make sure that when you are putting on your foundation, if you're using a makeup sponge, to blend it very well into your skin. So when you do put on your foundation, it should blend into your skin and look as if it is your own skin. Now I'm going to use the Black Opal True Color Cream Stick Foundation for my contour, and I will also link that down below as well. And as you can see, I'm deciding if I'm pleased with it, and I was. I absolutely love stick foundations. I love the way I'm able to hold them in my hand and use them almost as if they're a pencil. Another great thing that I love about stick foundations is you can use them as highlighting and contour for your face. For my highlight, I will be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal. I will admit there was a time that I used to use a ton of product whenever it was time for me to highlight and to conceal my face. However, I must admit that I am a reformed product junkie. I now don't use as much product as I once used, and I still get the same effect. Let me know down below if you also use an excess of product, and have you been able to stop that habit, or are you still doing it? Now I'm going to use my absolute favorite eyebrow gel, Milani Stay Put Brow Gel, to fill in my eyebrows. Needless to say, I get very excited while I'm listening to my music and doing my makeup. I will have a full concert. Now I'm going to line my lips with my Milani lip liner in the color Nude. Now I'm going to use my lipstick in the color Quickie. Now to add a little bronzer to help complete my makeup look, and I am almost finished. And here is the completed makeup look. I absolutely love this makeup look. I hope that you loved it too. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and also hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload something amazing. I look forward to seeing you again very soon. Bye.